Flashracer wins the truck race for today's Fire Road N 250. That's it, the truck race is over. Number 4 truck blew an engine, so that was it. No overtimes, just flat out racing. The race is over. So that's it. Number 99 truck wins. That's a good look to that. Right there, that team right there. Well, the running order is me in second. So it's something I would love to come in with, but it doesn't matter. It's just a race. But that number 99 truck was powerful from the beginning of the race. It was awesome to watch. Watch my cousin become who he is. Oh, not my cousin. The driver that I really love to watch. In which case he just finished winning. Great job for Flashracer. We're just gonna burn it down right here. Flashracer is your winner for today's truck race. And that's a wrap here at Godzilla Raceway. Get ready for next weekend's race. It's gonna be the Cup race. Hope you guys see that one. And I'm happy to say this driver right here is your winner. Don't forget, tomorrow's the first ever news, and I'll be there to do it. So long from NASCAR Full Tours Television.